Sit. And this bar here is fixated so it doesn't swing out without you wanting it. So you just put it here. Okay. And the table is ready. Now I'll show you what is different on the underside. If you close in, you can see the legs are brushed stainless steel. We have aluminum reinforcements of the wood of the table in the middle and at the outside. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, when we put the table down and you look at this new table, how it is stable, and when we go to an old table, you can see how everything is moving here.